I'm from PAL Audio. We're reimagining audio with our patented wave bloom technology. We have audio expansion technology to allow speakers to expand and contract just like this. We also have one called the Una. It floats. You throw it right in the water, and guess what? It has a LuluPet, keeps it nice and stable in the water, and it sounds amazing.
Our product is Trova. We are a smart home as well as personal storage device. What's innovative about it is that it gives you a place to sort of protect your privacy as well as give you a little bit of peace of mind around items of discretion. So things that you'd like to lock away and maybe keep your kids' hands off of or your coworkers' eyes away from. Our three main use cases are really around prescription drugs, also around vapes and recreational products, as well as jewelry and valuables that you just want to have locked away in a little personal storage device. So our smallest size right here is app connected, and it opens through verifying my face like that, and it's unlocked. You can store quite a bit in there. Same thing for the home size as well, which is that size right behind me.
We are LuluPet. We are the world's first AI smart litter box with a built-in extraterritorial poo image recognition system that keeps track of your cat's health data. So it can tell you early prevention, tell the owner what happened to the cats, so the cats can get a better treatment. All right. And do you need a little cards?
So this is the Zibro Smart Scale. We're actually commercializing NASA technology. It's a bathroom scale that tells you your weight and also your balance. So we all move a little bit, and from that balance measurement, we can also tell your full risk, which is valid for up to a year. Most people don't realize their balance changes even from one day to the next, and this can help give people an early alert for when their balance starts to deteriorate. And we also have a free app which allows consumers to understand some of the 6 pillars of balance health, those lifestyle factors which affect us all, but affect us all differently. So the innovative part is that it's highly sensitive to these small movements, and it really allows you to personalize the plan to improve your balance.
This is Vivascope digital pathology platform from Bosch. Just put a blood sample slide here like a pathologist analyzes. In 15 minutes it can analyze and give you 30 disease conditions. Useful for all emerging countries and any remote places. Powered by artificial intelligence, all algorithms are running inside. That's unique about this.
We created a product called BeView. And the BeView application can actually extract all the different vital signs just out of a video. Working on any smartphone, any tablet, we're able to extract your heart rate variability, oxygen saturation, respiration rate, and next month we'll be releasing blood pressure as well.
Check it out.
Give me another one step, please.
Phyn Smart Water Assistant. It's a DIY whole home water monitoring solution. So you install it underneath one kitchen sink. It has a hot and cold pressure sensor. You put it in line underneath the kitchen sink and the plumbing, and it'll tell you basically how much water is being used by every fixture in your home, and tell you if you have a leak anywhere in your home.